At the beginning, many people think materials like carbon fiber are easy to shred, just like plastic or fabric. But in reality, carbon fiber, especially composite materials, is much stronger and more difficult to process. Traditional shredders often struggle with it, causing problems like material wrapping, uneven output, or even damage to the machine. So how can we handle these tough and flexible materials more efficiently? This is where the spiral shredder comes in. With its unique spiral structure, the machine combines continuous feeding, squeezing, and cutting into one smooth process. It can effectively reduce winding issues and keep the material moving steadily, even when processing fibers, plastic, or other complex materials. Compared to conventional shredders, the spiral shredder offers more stable performance, lower maintenance, and better adaptability for long or tough materials like carbon fiber. If you are dealing with difficult materials and looking for a more efficient solution, this machine could be exactly what you need. Feel free to contact us for more details, videos, and customized solutions.